Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Amazon gift cards, and more specifically, I'm going to try to answer a question that I've gotten a lot recently, and that is, how do you use an Amazon gift card? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, this is going to be a really quick video. There's really not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to use an Amazon gift card? Well, that's pretty easy. Maybe you got one for your birthday, but you're not sure exactly how to use it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process, and it's all handled here in the Amazon app. It's this brown and smiley face looking thing right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Amazon app now. Okay guys, I went ahead and opened up my Amazon app. This is the home screen here. Now here on the home screen, if you want to use your Amazon gift card, first you do need to redeem it. And how you do that is you click on this little person icon down here on the bottom left. Once you click there, you will see a few options for your Amazon account, but you want to scroll down till you see this line called your account, and you're going to see a button called manage gift card balance. Go ahead and click there. Okay, so here in this section, you're going to see a few options for gift cards in your Amazon account. But first, in order to redeem, you need to click on this line right here, redeem another gift card. Okay, so here in this section, you can go ahead and redeem your Amazon gift card code by entering the code right here. Now that's going to be for online Amazon gift cards or even the physical Amazon gift cards. Once you have redeemed your gift card, it will go into your current balance. As you can see, I have $5 as an Amazon gift card balance right there. So once you've redeemed it, the card is no longer any good and it's already added into your Amazon account to use as a payment method. Now, in order to use your Amazon gift card, all you need to do is go ahead and pull up a product that you would like to buy. So here I am on the home screen. So let me go ahead and click on these knives. Okay, so here's this knife. It's pretty cool. It's $68 that they're selling it for. So all I'm going to do is go ahead and add this into my cart by clicking on this yellow add cart button. Okay, so now this item is inside of my cart. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my cart, and that way we can go ahead and use our Amazon gift card. Okay, so once you're in your cart, in order to use your Amazon gift card, you need to proceed to checkout by clicking on this yellow button. Okay, so here is your order confirmation screen. So it shows that we're buying these knives for this price, and your gift card is automatically applied to the amount that you are going to be using. As you can see, my $5 is automatically applied. However, if you're trying to use your Amazon gift card and it's not automatically applied, all you need to do is go down here to payment method. As you can see, they're going to be using my Visa and also my gift card balance, but just click on that line. Okay, so here in this section, you can go ahead and choose your payment method, but there is this line right here called use Amazon gift card. As you can see, it's blue, so it's automatically populated to go ahead and use my Amazon gift card for this purchase. However, if it was not already applied, it might have been gray. So let me switch this over. Okay, so I switched it over. You can see it's gray. If it's gray, that means you are not going to use your Amazon gift card for that purchase. So you do need to go ahead and click on it and make sure that it turns blue like so. Once that's blue, then that Amazon gift card will be applied to your current purchase. So let me click continue. Okay, so once again, to confirm, now you can see my gift card balance will be used for this purchase. It's disclosed right here on the confirmation. Also, it's disclosed down here under payment method, $5 gift card balance. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for information on how to use your Amazon gift card, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.